Halimbawa, ang kaligayahan ng paggugugol ng oras sa mga mahal sa buhay. Ang pakiramdam ng pag-aari sa isang pamayanan o grupo. Ang kahalagahan ng paggawa ng mga bagong kaibigan.
Next, our lesson is about relationship between human agency and human acts. Human agency is in relationship to human acts, plays a curly role in influence behavior, decision making, and the pursuit of goals. The relationship between human agency and human acts is intricate and multidimensional as agency drives individuals to seek out, experience, stimuli, or outcomes that fuel their desires and needs and preferences. The example is why is a human agency? Image your inner compass, guide your action. Human agency is that near drive your wants, needs, and desires that push you to act. It's what motivates you do things, whether it's eating when you're hungry, studying for a test, or helping a friend. How does agency relate to human act? Human acts are the actions you consciously choose to do. Your agency influences these actions. Your desires and needs shape what you decide to do. The 5 key ways to agency influence human acts. First, motivation and drive. Human agency serves as powerful motivational force that drives individuals to act in pursuit of their desires, cravings, or needs. Example, you want good grade, mo nang agency. So you study hard, mo nang human act. Second is decision making and behavior. A human agency influences decision making by guiding individuals towards choice, action, or behavior that align with their identities drives. Muna ang example. You want to be healthy, muna agency. So you choose to eat fruits and vegetables instead junk foods, muna ang human act. Third is ethical, moral considerations. In terms on impact on ethical reputation, the relationship between human agency and human acts is significant. To pursue effective desire may raise ethical consideration relate to responsibility, accountability, and ethical implication of behavior. Mano ang example sa ethical anang decision making behavior. Mano example ethical moral consideration. Yung example, you want to be honest, muna agency. So you choose to not cheat on the test, muna ang human act. Personal growth and fulfillment. In turn on the rule and personal development, human agency can drive individuals toward experience, challenges, or pursuit that contribute to personal growth, self-discovery, and fulfillment. Your desires for self-improvement affect your behavior. Mana example, you want to learn a new skills. Mana evidency. So you sign up for a class. Mana ang human act. Next, impact on society and relationship. And social dynamics and interaction, human agency influence it by shaping individuals' preferences, competition styles, and leadership choice. Your action affects to others. Manang example sa impact of society. You want to help others, mana agency. So you volunteered at a homeless shelter, mana human act. In short, your three desires and tendency are driving force behind your conscious choice and action human acts. Understanding this relationship help us understand why people behave the way they do and how they make people a better choice. Next is about ends and means of human acts. And ethics, the concept of end critical to understand the moral implication of our action. They help us analyze the relationship between our intention, the action we take, and the consequences that follow, and refer to the goals, objects, and desired outcome we to achieve through our action. They perceive the limited process, purpose, or value we seek to realize. Mean, on the other hand, refer to the method, tools, action we employ to reach those desires, and they are steps, strategies, or checklists we use to achieve our goals. The relationship between ends and means is critical in ethics. Decision making, while we may have noble ends in mind, the means we choose to achieve those ends can significantly impact the moral evolution of our action. Ends and means. And this is a goals that desires result of your action. For example, if you're baking a cake, the ends having delicious cake. Means these are steps, methods, or action you take reach your end. In the cake sample, that means are gathering ingredients, mixing them, baking, and recording. The importance of relationship. Ethics care about both end and means. You can't just focus on good outcome, a noble end, while enjoying how you get there. That meanings. If your meaning are unical, even the end is good. The overall action is still moral, problematic. For example, stealing money to donate to charity is wrong, even though donation is a good thing. Here is a 3 ethical position. The principal double effect. This is says something okay to do action that has both good and bad consists, as long as bad consists are your ethical goal. For example, Dr. B give a high dose of painkillers to dying patient. knowing be hastily hate and die a bad conscience, but indicating the reveal the pain a good conscience. Mo niyang kuan. Napo dag example lain. The important intricate mean being honest, consist your words and action. It's about aligning your value with your behavior. A person with guilty action according their beliefs even when it's difficult. In short, this lesson teachings that ethical action requires careful consideration both of desired outcomes and method used to achieve it. A good ends does justify unical means. The three physical principles approved frameworks for making ethical decisions.
Classification of ends human acts. The classification of end human acts refers the categorization of human goals, purposes, or intentions that motivate human acts. Understanding the classification of ends help in analyzing the ethical implications, motivations, of outcomes of our behavior. Imagine you're building a tower of blocks that ends in